place the mat on a flat and even surface that is clear of debris. Slide the mat against the bottom border wall and align it centrally. When table size and mat placement are correct, the areas to the left, right, and top of the mat should match those shown. Teams can practice without an official table or border walls, but competitions will be held on an official table in a tournament setup as shown. Practice with this in mind, and remember to mark out the space needed for home on each side of the mat if practicing without a table. Official table building instructions and guidance on how to use the mat on the floor can be found on the Season Resources page. In competitions, remember that volunteers work hard to get the fields just right, but you should expect and design for rare imperfections such as bumps under the mat or changes in light. You will find sheets of dual lock squares in the challenge set to secure the mission models to the mat. Dual lock is a critical part of the field setup process. The squares on the mat with the X inside show where to apply the dual lock. First, place a piece of dual lock sticky side down on each square. Next, place a second piece of dual lock sticky side up. These pieces will click together when the models are placed. When placing a model, align it carefully to the mat wireframe, then press down on the model until you hear a click. To remove the model from the mat, lift from its base to separate the dual lock. Now we will show you how to place and position each model in the field setup position, which should be checked at the start of each match. The seeds must be set up in the order shown, but in competitions, the orientation of the green tubes may vary. The leaf and katydid placement will be randomized by the referee at the start of each match. Missions 13, 14, and 15 use a new interchangeable dock system. The docks are secured with dual lock, and teams can choose which mission model to place on each of the 3 docks, mine, city, and farm, before the match begins. Placement of these 3 models is part of your team's mission strategy. Choose one of the 3 docks to place this model. For the purposes of this video, it will be placed in the farm dock. Once docked, each model is held in place using a small lock latch to keep it secure during gameplay. Choose one of the 2 remaining docks to place this model. For the purposes of this video, it will be placed in the mine dock. Place this model in the remaining dock to complete the mission model setup. This video shows placement in the city dock. Your field is now set up, and you are ready to play the first LEGO League Challenge robot game. Remember to read the robot game rulebook, and to check for challenge updates during the season. A video that describes mission scoring requirements can be found on the Season Resources page.